how to set Wi-Fi MAC address type to randomize or phone MAC on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, go down and tap on connections. After that, tap on Wi-Fi, tap on the left hand side panel. Make sure you turn on Wi-Fi and then go down and tap on the settings icon right next to the name of your Wi-Fi network. Then in here we go down and tap on view more and then scroll down. After that, tap on MAC address type. In here you can choose randomized MAC or phone MAC. So here say using your phone MAC's address might allow your location to be tracked. So here you can choose randomized MAC to protect your privacy. After that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.